Hello and welcome. I've got today to show you this new Summit 600B Plus camper van from Pössl. So this is a 6 meter long camper van on a Citroen jumper, very similar to the Fiat Ducato. It's not available on Fiat Ducato. 61,500 euros this will cost. And so what is new about it? Well, as I come in, my first opinion is that it's very spacious inside. So it seems to have been well laid out. I think that Pössl for the last 4 or 5 years certainly has really upped its game. So it's got these very elegant looking storage places. I don't like corners being wasted. That really winds me up. But we'll have a look inside and you can see that it is quite deep as well. So you can get a reasonable amount of stuff inside. Got this slit window. I don't know if that's the correct word, but I'm going to start calling it that. So you probably want to be sleeping with your feet in that direction. There have been people who have said to me that the slit window like this doesn't make much sense. But in my opinion, when you've got a bigger window like that, your feet will touch them. And I've happened to me several times. In my sleep, I've kicked the window. So fortunately, in mine, it comes with a board. So if you do that, it doesn't end up doing any damage, depending on how strongly you kick it. Windows at the back, spacious, very spacious washroom with a fixed sink, and more storage up here where the mirror is, and there's a toilet so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside. Kitchen's really good, I think. So those very nice looking kitchen block. Obviously, and many, what it looks like is a matter of taste. If you like the colour or not, it's up to you. But I think this reddish brown is a very nice colour. Down here we will find there is a wardrobe, or use shelving if you want, and also note, step up to the bed with storage in there. Round here we'll find there's a kitchen extension, and we'll also find there is a fridge. I think the bed's quite nice. Sorry, the chair's quite nice, the table, the layout, and even note this forward facing bench is contoured. Let's have a look at the back now. And that board which is there, so the dividing board, that will come out, but bear in mind there is the step below, so you can't really put in I don't know, things like skis. They'll come in at a sort of an angle. In here we have space for 2 gas cylinders, and also note that this will of course come up as you'd expect, and you can take it out if you want to allow you lots of space at the back. Close the door. So I think a relatively interesting vehicle. There's another new one here. This is on the Fiat Ducato. I'll give you a link to that one below. This one I think is a particularly, there's somebody in there so I can't actually show it to you, but I think that one's a nice looking one as well. So anyway, there you go. That is the Summit 600B Plus camper van from Pössl, which, as you can see, is new. If you found that interesting, thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting. If you're interested to see more, I've got a very large collection of motorhomes and campervans on this channel. So, at the moment though, bye for now.